channel. My name is Jayeeta and friends call me Rima. Thanks for clicking my video. It means a lot to me. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how we can easily make over anything using the help of a paint. Make sure you watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fun DIY projects. So let's get started. To make this cycle project, I am using this old fruit basket of mine, paintbrush, sponge paintbrush. Instead of sponge brush, you can use normal brush also, and some acrylic colors. Here I am using orange, green, white, yellow and red acrylic colors. At first, I am going to color this fruit basket with white. And this is the final result. To make this next DIY project, you need a bottle, glass bottle, white and black peripheral color, sponge brush, and a paintbrush. At first, I am going to color the bottle white. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching my video. See you in the next week. Take care. Bye bye.